Wait, everybody come over here. Everybody come over here. I'm starting the video. I'm about to start the video. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to Get Money episode 4. So we're just gonna be getting money.
On my first day of Christmas, my father gave me $400.
Hello. I shall
Why
be
your
the
eyes so
person.
big, bro?
I'll be showing you how to get so much money. Yeah. First thing that you got to do is go to the lake.
Okay, I guess we're going to the lake.
Make sure to get prepared. And also, I am a scientist. I know this works.
Okay, a lot of money. A lot of money that I'm doing.
The next thing that you are going to be doing is going to be quite challenging, but trust me, it's going to work.
Oh no.
Next thing is,
Do it.
the next thing that you got to do is get a long range weapon. Get a long range weapon like
On
this.
my first day of Fortmas, my sweet love gave to me.
Then the next thing that you're going to do is you see.
Okay. What spawned? Wait, sorry, this is a good spawn. Oh, yo, the clown has spawned, sad. Guys, I don't know if you guys
I just farted myself all the way over. Yo, by the way, I have beans. Bro, by the way, I have beans in my bag. So just in case for spare.
Well, yeah, it's a clown right now.
What?
There's a clown.
You need what?
There's a clown. It's a clown. Crap. I threw it. Okay, guys, what about a different map? Because the clown spawned and we're kind of cooking. Okay, guys, not in the lake. Maybe we should go to like graveyard or something.
No, go to the forest. The forest.
Yeah, let's go to
the best
forest. But I need a weapon. Wait, before you guys go to forest.
The forest is the best.
I need a weapon. I need a weapon.
Get to the riches.
No, I'm kind of stuck.
Best thing to get. The eggs don't do that much though, sadly. But if they did more,
There's an angle of it!
next kill is the angry. Next kill is that the angle. An angry angle.
Yo, New Armstrong, I get the boxer.
No, but I need that. Oh, man. I'm not a weapon.
You are going to need this
That
for
suit
later.
sucks, by the way.
Kaboom.
He is
Listen,
right
you
there.
need to go- Here's the angular fish. The angular fish.
No!
No! You fat ass.
And watch out for the yoga. This is pain in the butt.
No, it's good for me.
You need to run.
Yo, that almost hit me.
No, but I need a weapon.
Yo,
Stay back. Dang him again. Dang. I need a
box. I killed him. It's my box, bro.
You can have that box.
Give me that.
It's fair too.
Yo, give me the
That's
box.
a bonus.
Bro, give me that. I killed him. What are you doing?
Don't worry
You
about
guys
the
kill a
fighting.
grenade. That's actually good. Why are you
You
wasting
just
a
need to
grenade?
wait.
Why are you wasting your
You just
grenade? You gotta
just
be
need to wait.
better than this. You're a failure.
You just need to wait
No, bro, give me my shotgun.
Fine,
You just need
go
to
get
wait
it.
for the chicken to spawn.
Go get it.
You just need to wait for the chicken to spawn.
Another angler has spawned. Angler bad.
Not the angler. The chicken that we're looking for is a very feisty chicken. As soon as it's
Use a ghost stick shotgun. Oh my god. I have this,
Don't.
wait.
No. You have that one. Wait, no. Let him have it. You killed it.
Does anybody have a
Oh.
level?
I might need that.
Yes, you do.
Why do we have RPGs on it?
You need to pick. Give me that.
Yeah. Lily? No.
Okay, here
Now
we
we
go.
need to wait. Now we need to wait silently.
I'm still killing monsters. I'm still
On
gonna
my
kill
wait
first
for
monsters.
the
day of
chicken.
Christmas, my sweet little gift to me.
Go. The chicken
300.
might spawn and we might not know it. The chicken might spawn. We might not know it.
But is this
Circle
guy
around
like?
the map.
Bonds, I'm gonna tickle his butthole.
Circle around the map. He might be here somewhere.
I'm hiding in the bushes
What?
for evidence. The evidence.
Oh, RPG.
Don't need. Anybody? There might be hope.
Everybody get down!
You're gonna see something over there. I swear.
The chicken might be over here.
A bomb! Located bomb! Located bomb! Located bomb?
Pick up a-
The bomb isn't moving.
Long way. This way.
I think I saw an
This
angle.
way.
I saw an angle. I saw his light.
We might find things. We might
These are
find.
evidence.
Oh, there it is!
Wait. Oh no, that's where Haunted Mansion is. This way, sorry. I'm bad with my location.
Yo, first monster I'm seeing, I'm putting a bullet in their head.
Same, bro. That's
Found
sick.
it.
That's second, not second.
Found it.
Let's go.
Now, this is where we can get Digicon. Come.
Let's go! Let's go, baby!
Ready?
Simon,
Chicken dead.
did it kill it? Sorry, it's not killing it.
Yes. You worked.
I killed it.
What? Unbelievable.
Yo, somebody needs this. Somebody needs that. Somebody needs that.
Unbelievable.
Let me get the golden egg.
Where is the egg? That's the thing.
I got the egg.
Okay, do this.
Yeah, I have the egg in my bag.
Perfect. Woo!
Guys, what did you drop? Do this.
Do you know
I see a mimic, I see a
I
mimic.
have the egg. I have the egg. I have the egg.
Let's kill the
Oh,
mimic!
yum.
Kill the mimic!
Dang it! My RPG! I actually dropped it. Yo, bro, you forgot your egg! You forgot your egg! Bro, you forgot your egg! You egg! You forgot your egg! You egg! You egg, bro! You egg! Bro, you egg! Bro, you egg! Bro, you! Bro, you egg! You forgot your egg! Bro, you forgot your egg over there! You forgot your egg over there!
I know.
Okay. It's gonna despawn! It can, you know, oh my god. Can I use this? Can I use this ammo?
Oh no.
Please.
Goes over shotgun, all the shotgun. Wait.
Anybody! The ogre is over there.
What?
Is this angular?
Down. Oh, I see
Perfect!
it!
We have more company!
I killed it.
What's that? Is it the leather green light?
More!
My bell experiment! How did you get here? Whatever.
Yo, how do we keep getting lucky and getting this?
Don't ask me!
Well, give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
Don't ask me!
I just killed the egg.
Kaboom!
Yes, Jacob. Come
We have
on.
another
Oh,
enemy
let
on
me
our
get
hands.
on there with you.
Another enemy.
Yes, Jacob. Come on! Hey!
Oh no!
RPG, guys. Set, we got an RPG. Oh, I missed. I really missed. That's weird.
So let me get on. Let me get on, bro. Let me get on.
That's kind of
Oh, you scared me.
But
Me.
Oh, just an angular.
Ooh. No, two.
Yo, I just heard something. I just heard something wrong. I just heard something bad.
Flashbang. I love flashbang. Grenade! Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh.
Let's get some wood, by the way, because it's probably gonna help us.
Anybody. We shall not give up. We need to fight. Let's see if the chicken has spawned again.
Scaring me with that stupid talkie.
Let's see if that chicken has really spawned.
Shotgun.
Oh, the egg. There's an egg. The egg.
Yeah.
You
Yeah, I
dropped
mean
it.
it's back.
Get
Just see. I think it's back, by the way. It's not back. It's not back. Don't call me. Don't call me. It's not back.
It's back. Joke. What is wish? Is it good? I shall. Why don't we just? Shall we just wait? Just go back
No.
now. Hui. You are
I'm strong.
the Armstrong.
Oh my god, you're good! Oh my god, good. Yo, where are we going? What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh my god! I'm not gonna use myself anymore on that. Okay. It's been too long. Oh crap! Bomb! Bomb! There's a bomb! There's a bomb! There's a bomb! There's a bomb!
Okay. Anybody. Go. Anybody. We need. For the chicken.
That box is mine.
Hey, my account name is Pickle Cox, by the way. Hey, we had to find a good mon. Oh, hey, Flashy Bangy! Hi! I know!
Is this single time?
What's happening over here, buddy? It's Bud. Copy name mechanism. Copy name mechanism. Copy name mechanism. Copy. Oh, I just want to go. 37. I missed. Oh no, I didn't. Revive it. I'll revive you, buddy. I'll revive you. Where'd you go?
I got you.
Oh, I'm just so fat, man.
You're back.
Let me get my.
You're back.
It's been so long since I had.
Can I have this?
Ooh, I don't need this.
Can I have it? Thank you.
Guys, I see a second! I see a second! I see a second! I see a second! There's a second over there! I'm stuck! I'm stuck!
Chicken. Where's the chicken?
Let's kill it! It's right down!
Where?
Right down!
Chicken.
Right down! Are you deaf? Are you blind? Right down! Oh, wait, where was it? I heard it growling. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. Guys, where is it? Where's the chicken?
Unbelievable.
What just happened? What just happened? What just happened?
Yo, who needs RPG ammo? Who needs RPG ammo?
Yo, what just happened? What is going on? Guys, I think some definite. Oh my god, what the fuck just happened?
Who needs the shotgun ammo right now? Listen.
Someone died over here. I know that.
Don't touch mine. Don't touch my thing.
I don't need a costing gun.
Don't touch
Is
it.
everybody? Is everybody okay?
No, I'm not okay. I always have Cecil. I always have a heart attack.
Why is it?
I see Mimic. I see Mimic. I see Mimic.
Hey, Mimi! Hey, Mimi! I missed! I missed! I missed! I made! I made! I made! I made!
Yo!
I made! I made!
Shotgun ammo!
I made! I made! I made! That's set up. Set up. We got! I found a shotgun over here. Give me some ammo. Give me that shotgun.
Yo, there's two of them. There were two of them, but the other guy took it because he was greedy.
Ah, it's got a flash bang. Got a flash bang.
I'm on my. Maybe
Wait,
enough.
what happened to flash bang?
I'm so heavy.
Mimic!
Kill the mimok. Kill the mimok. Kill
Why
three
did you
mimics.
just die? The
Oh,
mimic!
no.
The mimic! The fucking mimic!
Everybody
It's the
move.
Mimic from it!
Move
It's
out
the
the way.
mimic from the fucking mimic!
Where's he lying? Where's he lying?
Anybody need some MOEs? Need an MOE?
Me. Oh, that you don't. I don't. Well, I'll hold it for now. I'll hold it for now. Hey, you hold it. You hold it.
Yo, anybody here need an MOE, boy? Do you need an MOE? Oh crap, oh crap. You just set that thing off. Ah! Bomb! Bomb! Real bomb! That's a real bomb! That's a real bomb! I am the dum 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 dum! Dum 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 dum!
That's me.
Bill
I am
Nye
the
the Science Guy.
cool.
We love to lie. Bill Nye the Science Guy. We love to
Follow! I got over. Wait, actually. Guys, tell me where the
Hello.
monsters are. I'll kill them. With
Let's
this.
do this. No ammo.
Oh, he disconnected. He disconnected. He disconnected. Wait, I can
Goodbye,
three of us.
Okay. Let's go check if the.
How is he not dead?
If we go check if he's gonna spawn again. Let's go.
Everybody, we're heading to second. Everybody, come a second.
Let's check if the chicken's home. Hal!
No second. No second. No second.
He's normally healed. He's normally healed right now.
Second, Zaki.
He's normally healed right now.
Oh crap, crap. Hey, Mimic, kill me! Why have you fucking going to the graveyard? Well, why are you going to the graveyard? We're not going there. Hey, this guy wants to go to the graveyard, so we go there.
Mimic? I hate the mimic. But I love killing it. Oh! The mimic!
Oh my god! It's the freaking Mimic!
See you later.
Dim diddy dum. Dim diddy dum. Please be here, boy. It takes seconds back, or not.
Is he awake? How? He's not awake? But
It's
how?
a C. It's a C.
Yeah, that's what you said. She. I said. I'm gonna say like for the fourth time. Guys, come back to the campfire.
Guys, we gotta light up the campfire when the monster spawns. I know
See you later.
it still can. It still can. What are we doing?
Wow.
Let's come up with a freaking snowball.
That's the phone.
Stop!
I can fall. Look. Watch. See you later.
Guys? Emily, light up the campfire. We gotta light the campfire with this. Clap. Ah! Oh, look!
Oof. Ouch.
I see this.
Clap. I see them.
Is he even gonna die? Great!
My head's
I can do this. I can use this.
Bye bye.
Yo, you cannot give that to you. You know that, right? Bye bye. I got some wood.
I need a grenade. I need grenade.
Also, by the way, these monsters can still, you know, the tree monster can still spawn.
Wait.
The tree monster can still spawn.
Grenade. Thank you.
Oh crap.
Oh crap! Crap!
Angle! Angie fist! Guys, angles, nuts up. Angle over here. Angle! Everybody! 3, 2, 1, attack! Hit him! Did we get him?
I need grenade! Quick grenade! Is it grenade? Any grenade?
No!
That grenade? Whoa!
Oh,
Maybe? Okay.
I'm just putting out the fire, guys.
Let's see up the fire!
Because the monster can still spawn, also it's protected from the monsters. And this gives us
Does
money.
anyone want...
See, it gives us money.
Does anyone...
Hey, Mr. Scientist! Lighting up the campfire gives us money. Lighting up the campfire gives us money.
Yep. Nope. Nope. Hey, scientist.
Sorry, what's this? Dang it. Second doggy. Second doggy. Second seal. Yo, I just zuked on so out. So good. Bro, I just zuked out so good, bro. Anything else?
No.
Did we kill yet?
I got him. He gone. Gone forever. Hey, hold it. Put. You can put the weapons in your hip slot. You can put them.
I know. You find anything?
Clean.
Yo,
Clean.
something
Clean.
for us.
Clean.
I saw
Green.
it.
Clean.
What's that?
Take it. Take the chicken. Chicken leg. I take over here.
Let's go see. Yeah, let's go see.
I check.
A second.
So wait.
I don't think it's gonna respawn, guys. Oh, you shake. I'm stuck. Is you guys coming? Is he letting you wide that right now?
Okay, I'm going to be honest. This is not my little voice. This is my real voice.
Cool.
I'm flying up.
I got a helicopter around and I got a missile ready to fire. Tell me when.
What's over there? There's nothing. Oh! Dude, the second! Guys, someone just cut a second. We got 2 second eggs now.
Nice.
We got 2 second eggs. I don't know
I
how.
got an air shark inbound. AC-1. An AC-1 helicopter inbound.
Yeah, it's a canopy helicopter. It's called a canopy helicopter. I would do it.
Candy bitch. You ready?
What? No, don't do it.
Wait, I need boost. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Ooh, I get diarrhea.
Come on. What is he killing? What are you guys killing? What are you killing?
I don't know.
What even happened? You were just shooting bullets for absolutely no reason. Guys, RPG! I have an RPG! RPG and RPG ammo go together!
Damn it. Sorry. I need it. Damn it. Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
Guys, but I want to go somewhere. Oh.
Turkey. Whoa.
Oh, what was that?
I got an airstrike inbound.
I got an airstrike inbound, ready to
Fire.
Yo, angle, I found angle. I killed it. I killed the angle. I killed hole.
Everybody, I can go to the haunted mansion.
I've killed Mama angle.
Everybody, it's time to go to the haunted mansion.
Haunted mansion time.
Wait, guys, we're gonna go to haunted mansion, okay? Oh my Jesus! What the? Why is he in here? I'm not doing this.
What?
Guys, let's just not go though. He's not gonna let us sit down. So let's just go to a different map.
Yep.
Crap! Why does this always happen?
Huh?
Yes. Okay.
Run every night.
Run every night, man.
No one saw it. You killed it! Good job! Good job!
I'm ready to take fire.
Where'd it go? Where'd that? Oh! Okay!
Tell me when to fire. I got
All eyes.
Oh. Get it. Kaboom.
Damn it, I accidentally shot it. Sorry. I accidentally shot it. I shot it, man.
Another what I'm gonna spawn. I can't pick up. What? Guys, I'm gonna go and end the video, okay? If we come back to spawn, we're gonna end the video now. Everybody, come back to spawn. I'm gonna end the video. What the flip?
Wait on me. Helicopter.
Okay, anybody got any money? Well, I guess we did get some money. No. Anyways, bye guys!
Bye.